Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for January. This month's theme is happy vibes, and the bag features a lovely pastel rainbow and smiley face design. Let's open it up and see what's inside. We have the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, Grace and Stella Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum, Benefit Porefessional Light Primer, Hipdot Precise Brush, and the Dodo Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara. Now let's open the Glam Bag Plus. Inside we have the Girlactik Cranberry Sugar Scrub, Huxley Secret of Sahara Mask, Kimchi Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray, Chella Beauty Dual Liquid Eyeliner, and the Dew Tube Hydrating Lip Gloss in the shade Champagne. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out all of the products we received. First, I'm starting on skincare and using the Girlactik Cranberry Sugar Face Scrub. That is such a satisfying texture and it smells amazing too. This gentle face scrub uses little cranberry seeds to help buff away all of your dead skin and smooth out uneven skin texture. I love how easy this is to move around the skin. It's very moisturizing. Next up, we have the Huxley Secret of Sahara Face Mask. And this one has a really unique concept because it has a pouch down here with some oil, and you're supposed to push that oil up into the pouch that has the sheet mask. This is quite perfumated, so I hope that I don't have any sort of reaction to that on my skin. And the scent is so strong that I don't think I'm going to be able to wear it for that long. After that, I'm applying the Grace and Stella Hyaluronic Acid Serum. As you all know, I love hyaluronic acid serums. They're great for plumping up my dry skin. To finish off my skincare routine, I'm applying the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I've tried this before, and it's an overall really great moisturizer for all skin types at a decent price point, so I highly recommend it. Now let's move on to makeup and try out the Porefessional Light Primer. I've tried every Porefessional product except this one, and I really like all of them, but I think this one might just be my favorite. Right away, it has this very interesting cooling effect, and it just melts right into the skin. Now that I've done my face makeup off camera, I'm setting it in place with the Kimchi Matte Setting Spray. This has some really fun packaging, and I've been wanting to try it for a while because I've heard some great reviews. The sprayer and scent is just like the Urban Decay setting spray, so I have some high hopes for it. This has definitely mattified the skin, but it looks really good. It's smoothed out the complexion and gotten rid of the powdery look, so I'm really loving this one. Next, I'm using the Hipdot Precise Brush to apply some glitter to the eyes. Now let's try out the Chella Beauty Dual Liquid Eyeliner. This has a black side and a blue side. They both have a bit of sparkle to them as well. I'm drawing on some winged liner with the black side. Up next, we have the Dodo Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara. The wand on this is really curved and it lines up with the shape of the eye really well. Finally, we have the Dew Tube Hydrating Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Pink Champagne. It's a very pretty warm pink shade with a touch of gold shimmer. Here's the finished look using products from both the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for January. Overall, I'm really impressed with the first Ipsy of the new year. Let me know your thoughts on this month's box in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.